Hey guys, what's up? It's Nate, back again with another prank vlog. We're gonna get Josh this time. We got an air horn, some silly string. Nothing can go wrong. Nothing can go wrong. Nothing can go wrong, guys. Nothing can go wrong. I'm telling you. I'm telling you this time. I'm telling you this time. I'm telling you this time. Come on, Josh. Let's do this. It's time. Ready? Ready?
You just did it.
No, I didn't.
No, not my ear, not my ear.
No, not honey. It will hurt people's ears.
Oh my god. That's it though. That's it, Nate. That's it.
Silly string?
That's it.
I got him. I got him on the elbow.
Nate, stop. It's not.
That was kind of funny. Alright, now the finisher. Finisher. Josh, open the door. Yeah. Josh, you get a Smartie for being such a good boy. Good boy. He's not opening the door. I think he locked us out. Josh.